Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to the analytics. We're going to be analyzing the charts, price action, BTCUSD. The last signal I sent y'all, or gave y'all, it almost hit the complete take profit, but stop profit was lost. If you've been following my style or technique of trading, we use stop profits because we don't want our winning trades to turn into losing trades. I'd rather, have a little bit than not get the whole move and then let the stop loss get hit. So BTCUSD, we can see a little bit of price action on the 1 hour. But before we get into 1 hour setups, you know what we're about to do. Top down, let's start from the month. The month is looking, let's see what kind of candle we have on this monthly setup. Looks kind of bullish, it's in a doji point. There might be some exhaustion, there might be a little push down, some possible upside momentum, but we don't know yet. So we're going to start looking at the week. The week is looking very bearish. That might be a hammer or a doji. We'll see how that turns out. As you can see, we have some support resistance level on this weekly right here. That might be very strong resistance. Price needs to break through this level. Once it breaks through this level, we'll see more potential upside. Right here would be that engulfing completion within that week, but we're going to go into lower time frame to get a better view or a better understanding. Once we get down to the daily candle, boom. Daily's looking very bullish right now, still at a doji state. This might be some exhaustion right here. We found a very nice solid zone of exhaustion where support was found. We can take the average of these right here from this wick. Wicks are our best friend. Boom. Random support resistance line. We're going to probably make this a different color. We should make this a different color, matter of fact. Alright, boom. Random support resistance right here. It was acting as resistance. So this was the ceiling. Then it came over here, tested it. Then it created a floor. Looks like the floor is still being worked on, and if this is the floor, this was the last area of support. So from this daily structure, we can continue to start working on our price action, because even right here we can make a small trend line. Still potential downside because it's by the 61.8, which could be some resistance, but as we can see right here in this 23, price had closed above this Fibonacci level, and then so we would be looking at our 38.2 or 61.8 or 88.6, sometime our 78.6 too. All these PRZ areas are possible based off this move. Now we can go down to our 4 hour. Spend some time doing that. 4 hours showing bearish doji, so both sides are currently exhausted. So, and it's around that 50%. So either side could win this battle right now. But based off our EMAs, we do have the bulls winning right now. So the EMA is still showing bullish momentum. Let's see if we can get, nope, see this zone right here held strong. We're gonna take this zone right here, take a art rectangle, boom, this zone right here. If this zone holds to be true, this resistance right here might hold up, but if we start using some trend lines, let me get out of here, zoom out real quick. Alright, take our trend line. Orange. Okay. Boom. Now we just want to wait. We're waiting for this. This could be very nice, strong resistance. If this is very strong resistance, we'll find our entries on the close of this candle. If this candle goes there, we have this zone right here giving confirmation that bears still show a very strong chance of coming into the market, but we do take our trend line, make a new one. We do have a triangle right here. Sorry about that. Right here we have our 45 from wick to wick into the future. So right here we are seeing a very nice area of confluence. This is a triangle. Yeah, I was trying to figure out if this was a pennant or a flag. This could be a small little flag or go like that, but I don't like it as a flag. I don't like it as a flag either. I'll just take it for what it is. We still have our triangle weighing around these key area levels, but that signal stop profit did get hit on that signal. Let's go into the 1 hour because we got to get into a little bit of ripple also. Boom. Right here. We might see some interesting things right here. We're just waiting to see how price reacts around this 50%. This was our random support and resistance. This is where price found support. So if you are buying, place your stop profit around here. If you get hit, you get hit. At least you know if there is going to be that bearish move that you've positioned yourself in a way like if the market goes against you, you can look for sell opportunities. If you follow what I'm saying, this is why we use our stop profit, because we got to also remember this risk that we're taking, we want to be able to maintain it. We want to make sure that we do not repeat, do not lose. We're trying to minimize our loss. That's what you should be getting from this channel. Also, minimizing your loss, maximizing your profit, getting trading styles or techniques that will improve your trading. We have trend lines, we use channels, we use Fibonacci, we use EMAs, we use the tools within TradingView. These are all things to help maximize the gains of our profit. And then as the lower time frame, like I said, I think I might do 30, I might add 30 minutes, but for now, 15 minutes right here. This area seemed to have found exhaustion. The wicks kept on making lower highs, lower highs. This right here would be that resistance. So if price close above this 50% around here, we know we can see some more upside momentum. Then on the 5 minutes, we'll see based off this right here, we're going to see the price is going to go up or go down. We won't know probably until the next few candles, but let's head over to Ripple. Ripple has been still on that strong consolidation and still under that level of resistance that's relative to the last resistance. But this right here, Let's extend to the future, because we might be able to put a pending order. Hopefully, we're gonna see. We should take this from the top. Alright, cool. Ripple has barely any data. So, from the looks of here, I kind of like what I'm seeing. Monthly looks potentially bullish, okay? Potentially. That's the key word here. We're looking potentially. Boom. Alright. Here we go. For this to be completed, we would need to take profit around here on this week. But this week right here is looking still slightly bearish. For the week, this might be our evening star. We'll see. Not sure. Might see some potential more downside. I had projected price going to 30 cents. I'm not sure. We just gotta wait and see how true that can be. But Ripple is, you know, that cryptocurrency that makes the world go around. Crypto, I'm not sure. What is Ripple? Let me go check to see where Ripple's ranked at. Of course, it would be where I don't want it to be. Alright, cool. Let's do this. Market cap. I think it's number 2. You know, as cryptocurrency, which is decentralized currency on the internet. Oh, it's number 3, my bad. And Bitcoin has a market cap of $156 billion, which is pretty cool. At the current price is 9,218. It's been up 0.42% in the last 7 days. Ripple has been down 0.18, which is okay. There's still been a nice, you know, steady growth. See, uptrend. This was a little down. This is sideways, a little up, hitting resistance. There's triangles everywhere. We're gonna see a lot of, you know, potential reaction in the next few weeks. But Bitcoin, we're analyzing 2 of the top 3 coins. You know what I mean? So back to Ripple. We see for the day a lot of bearish momentum seems to be occurring right now. Right here on the 4-hour, we have a potential engulfing setup. What we would like to do here, take our Fibonacci. From right here to... No, that's the wrong engulfing. That would be for the downtrend. What I want to do is zoom out so we can find our better projection. Of course, this would happen right now. Might just have to close this. Boom. Alright, now we back. Get our fib and adjust it. right here, boom.